Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 10 top stories we are covering today. iOS 27. 7 new features are being announced next month 9 to 5 Mac. Apple will unveil iOS 27 on June 8, featuring 7 new iPhone features. The update includes a major Siri overhaul, introducing a standalone app and chatbot-style interface, as well as world knowledge and integrations with third-party AI agents. Additionally, the Photos app is gaining 3 AI-powered editing tools: Extend, Enhance, and Reframe. Leaker suggests 7 new features coming to iPhone 20, but read with care 9 to 5 Mac. Instant Digital, a reputable leaker, has shared a list of 7 potential features for the upcoming iPhone 20, including solid-state buttons with haptic feedback, under-display Face ID and front-facing camera, support for reverse wireless charging, an ultra-scratch-resistant display, and a 6000 mAh battery. While these features are not new rumors, they have been previously described in Apple patents and could potentially be included in the new device. Conserve Frontier Wildlife as a naturalist in Red Dead Online Rockstar Games. Rockstar Games has announced a new activity in Red Dead Online called Conserve Frontier Wildlife, allowing players to assist naturalist Harriet Davenport in sampling and classifying rare wild animals across 5 states. The goal is to help her catalog the species, while rival Gus McMillan seeks to collect their hides for his own purposes. The Sims 4 laundry list, 150 fixes and base layers coming in next patch, May 5, 2026. Sims Community. Here is a clean and concise summary of the news article. A forthcoming update to The Sims 4 on May 12, 2026 will include over 150 fixes and new features, including improvements for infants, toddlers, sleep, and sim autonomy. The update also addresses top-voted community issues and adds a new infant playmat and layering feature in Create a Sim. Pixel 11 Pro will ditch the temperature sensor, leak says. Did you use it? 9 to 5 Google. The Google Pixel 11 Pro is expected to drop its built-in temperature sensor, a feature introduced in the Pixel 8 Pro 3 generations ago. The removal makes room for Pixel Glow, a new set of LEDs on the rear camera bar. Video. Nintendo showcases its biggest Switch 2 games in new ad Nintendo Life. Nintendo UK released a video showcasing the Switch 2's features and key first-party games, including Pokémon Pocopia, Metroid Prime 4, Beyond, Animal Crossing, New Horizons, and others. The video serves as an introduction to the console for new users. Dead as Disco Early Access Review IGN. Here's a concise summary of the news article. Dead as Disco, an early access rhythm game from Brain Jar Games, has launched. The game combines elements of fighting games and Devil May Cry with its unique blend of music and combat, showcasing style and flair. Players take on the role of Charlie Disco, who must revive his band by convincing former members to abandon their successful solo careers and reunite as Dead as Disco. Bose debuts a new home audio collection, The Verge. Bose has introduced its new home audio collection, featuring 3 products that aim to compete directly with Sonos. The lineup includes the $299 Lifestyle Ultra speaker, a $1,099 Ultra soundbar, and a $899 subwoofer. The Ultra speaker stands out for its unique design and features, including a front-firing woofer and tweeter, an up-firing driver, and capacitive controls on top. Warhammer 40,000 lore. What is Operation Imperator? Warhammer community. The Imperium is struggling to maintain control of Armageddon as more orcs stream into the system, drawn by tales of the Wa'ag, without end. The Imperium cannot afford to lose Armageddon due to its industrial output and symbolic value. Our daughter overheard some bombastic noises while staying at our friend's house. Now she's traumatized. Slate. A 15-year-old girl was left traumatized after overhearing loud and explicit sexual noises from a neighboring room while staying at her family's friend's summer house. The incident occurred during a celebratory stay for the friend's daughter's high school graduation, and the girl is now reluctant to interact with both her father's best friend and his ex-wife as a result of the traumatic experience. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.